Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to know how we can add tags. So what is tag? Tag is a small information attached to the main content or post for the purpose of identification. It tells the visitors what actually the post is about. If the tag is mentioned properly, then it helps to find the content very easily. To add tags, click on Posts. Then click on Tags. Now as you can see, tags page is displayed. Name. Enter the name of tags. Slug. A word chosen to describe your post. It is specified in the tag's URL. Description. Add brief description of your tag. It gets displayed when you hover on the tag. After filling all the information about tags, click on Add New Tag button. The new created tags will get displayed on the right side of the page. So this is how you can add tags in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And goodbye.